If you're someone that always trying to break free of your 9-to-5 grind and you want a lifestyle that can grant you the freedom to do whatever you want, to spend time with your family, to pursue your other passions, but at the same time, you don't have an amazing idea to start a business and don't have a ton of capital to start the business from scratch, then I think Amazon FBA is one of the best businesses that you can start today. And here are 6 more reasons why. If you're tired of trading your time for money, then Amazon FBA is one of the best options and best business that you can start, because this business generates something that's called passive income. And by earning passive income, that is the best way for you to break out of your 9-to-5 job. So what is a passive income anyways? So passive income is basically a type of income stream that doesn't need your constant involvement for you to make money. For example, a job, right? If you stop working at your job, your income will immediately become zero because you only get paid on the hours that you worked for, but not for Amazon FBA, because this is a business where Amazon is actually going to do most of the work for you. All you need to do is actually have all of your products listed on Amazon and have it sell on the platform. Yes, you would have to do a lot of work beforehand, prior to actually launching the business. But once your business is launched, you do not have to keep trading your time to make that money. You can be sleeping, you can be working at your regular jobs, or you can be spending time with your family, but that income from Amazon FBA will keep coming into your pockets. And that is why it is so important to have a passive income stream set up using a business such as Amazon FBA. And the best thing is that you don't have to quit your 9-to-5 jobs to be able to have an Amazon FBA business, because it is passive. And the best thing is that once the income that you generate from your FBA business surpasses the income from your current job, you can just probably quit your job and work on FBA full time. And at that time, you're able to sustain the lifestyle you had just as always and make more money using Amazon FBA. And also, if you don't want to keep on expanding your Amazon FBA business, that's completely fine, right? You will have so much more time freed up from a 9-to-5 to actually spend time with your family, spend time to do whatever the things you want to do, right? You can go on vacations, you can actually pursue something that you have always wanted to do, but you never had the time or got the money to do it. Because my current involvement into my FBA business is around 3 hours per week, or even less than that sometimes. Now, this one business tip that I heard from someone actually just blew my mind, and that is, if you do not have any experience into business, into logistics, into storage, into fulfillment, there's nothing better to work with someone that have all of these figured out for you already, and they also have a massive customer base ready to want your product and your services. And that someone is, of course, Amazon FBA, because of all the things that I just mentioned, right? Business experience, logistics, storage, and fulfillment. You don't need to have a team to have all those handled. You don't need to hire some workers to store your products into a warehouse that you have to rent. You don't need to do all of that. And you don't also have to hire some truck to deliver your customers the products that they order from your warehouse. You don't need to do any of that. Amazon FBA is a great partner that can help you do all of that. Because what FBA essentially is just fulfillment by Amazon. The customers will buy stuff from your Amazon listings, and Amazon will just do all of the fulfillment for you without you having to lift a finger. That is why this business can be a massive opportunity for beginners like us, right? That just doesn't really have a lot of experience on doing business, and to actually build a massive team to fulfill all of the orders, and to take years and millions of dollars to actually build a system like that. That's why by doing Amazon FBA, which means working with Amazon directly, you don't have to worry about any of the fulfillment side. All you need to do is to actually deliver a good product and put it on Amazon and let it sell. Also, what that means is that since you don't really have a team to do all of the things for you, you can essentially be working anywhere. You can be on vacations, you can be working on a beach, or you don't have to work at all. Amazon will just do all of the things for you, right? All you need to do is to have a stable internet connections, and you can just literally do everything online. And so having this Amazon business means that you have the location freedom as well. You can be living at a place that is most comfortable for you because you do not have to commute to work every day anymore. You do not have to be at the same city on your work. You do not have to be on the same country on where you work. Like, for example, for me, I sell my products mainly in the USA, but I live in Canada, right? I can stay in Canada, but then all of my business is actually selling on USA, right? And also I can keep doing my Amazon FBA when I travel to. I can travel back to China, I can travel to Japan, to Korea. I can do this business wherever I want because Amazon FBA team is actually based in the US and do all the fulfillments, all the things for me. If you have never learned anything about marketing on advertising, or you don't have a creative mind, or that you are not a graphic designer, that you're probably thinking, well, how am I supposed to market my products? How am I supposed to sell my products on Amazon? The good thing for Amazon FBA is that you do not need to have any of those experiences of what I just talked about. You don't need to know how to market. You don't need to know how to do advertisements. You do not need to learn how to do graphics because Amazon have its own advertising platform built within the Amazon platform itself. For example, Amazon have advertising tools like sponsor products or like sponsor brands. All you need to do is let Amazon know what your product is, what customers are searching for your product at. For example, right, I have a cup. I need to let Amazon know that I'm selling a cup, and then I want Amazon to target customers that are looking for cups. I just need to input a keyword of cup inside of the Amazon search system, and then the customers can actually see my products and purchase directly from Amazon. Amazon FBA made this so easy that anyone can start this without a lot of prior experience. And by using advertisements from Amazon are able to put your listings in front of a highly targeted audience who has very high intention to actually buy your products. And by using advertising tools from Amazon, doesn't matter if you are a new beginner who just started on selling on Amazon, you are able to use this advertising tool to actually put your product right at the front page of Amazon and right in front of millions of potential buyers. And that is one of the quickest way to gain traffic and gain sales. And that is why I think Amazon FBA is a lot better than other businesses like selling on TikTok or doing dropshipping models using like Shopify, because you do not have to be creative like those. For Shopify dropshipping, right? You need to be creating video ads. You need to be doing copyright listings for your advertising. Also need to have a lot of experience onto creating a lot of beautiful infographics, a lot of compelling ads. Because if you do not have those skills and experience, it will be very, very difficult for you to actually make sales on TikTok or on your dropshipping stores. Because for TikTok and dropshipping stores, no one knows your products. There are no traffic. There are no potential buyers trying to look for your products. You need to market all of the products yourself, but not for Amazon FBA. Millions of buyers are ready to buy, which actually just brings me to my next point. Imagine starting a business where there are already millions of shoppers looking for your products. And that is what selling on Amazon means. Amazon have more than 300 million buyers around the world, and actually over 200 million of them are actually Prime members. So what Prime member is, it is a subscription service from Amazon that you subscribe to Amazon Prime membership, and then you're able to get a lot of benefits from Amazon. For example, like free shipping, free one-day shipping, free two-day shipping. And people who have actually subscribed to Prime membership, they have a higher intention to actually buy from Amazon, and also a higher rate of purchasing from Amazon as well, because they get all those free shippings, because they actually paid to get a subscription from Amazon to have free deliveries and sometimes discount offers as well. So that means there are already a huge pool of shoppers trying to look for products to purchase every single day. And let me drop you some more stats here. In the US alone, Amazon often holds more than 40% of the entire e-commerce platform. Think about what that means, right? There is so many competitors for Amazon out there. There is Temu, right? There is AliExpress. There are tons of Shopify websites and people who are doing Shopify. And Amazon captures over 40%, almost half of the whole e-commerce platform. And that means that starting an Amazon FBA business attract just one of the most shoppers available in the whole world. And also, guess what? Some studies says over 50% of shoppers begins their search for a product on Amazon rather than going on Google's or any other search engines, which means that Amazon FBA has built up such a big brand and such a big trust, loyalty customers already. And one of the reasons why Amazon are able to build such a trusted brand across the whole world, because Amazon has a huge reputation on their reliable shippings, that when you buy something from Amazon, you can expect to arrive to your doorstep safe and sound in a very, very fast, timely manner. For example, probably if you buy something from Amazon in the morning, you could probably get it at the evening or the next day, right? And also Amazon is one of the easiest platforms for you to initiate returns and refunds. Amazon allows its customers, whoever they purchase a product, to easily refund, exchange, or return their products very, very easily. There are workers that actually just come in front of your house and pick up the products that you want to return. So you probably don't do anything to actually have all of the things refunded and returned or exchanged. And Amazon made it so easy that anyone can just do it. And that is why people selling on Amazon, they see a much higher purchase conversion rate compared to any other standalone e-commerce website, for example, like TikTok or like dropshipping. For example, when I was doing Shopify dropshipping, I usually see that the conversion rate for all of the people who visited my site and actually come into my store and buy something, I usually see around 1% to 3% of a conversion rate, which means that if 100 people come into my website, only 1 to 3 people will actually buy my product. But for Amazon, in my experience, I usually see like a 10 to 20% conversion rate, which means 100 people who come to my listings, at least 10%, at least 10 people will buy from my listing, or sometimes even better, 20 people would buy from my listing. It has like a 10, 20 times more conversion rate into my listing. And also part of the reason is because Amazon shoppers, they are already in the buyer mode compared to any other platform. So for example, if you scroll something that is interesting on TikTok, you probably don't want to buy it, but you want to go inside and actually check out what this is, check out what they are, check out why it is so interesting. But you probably won't necessarily are in the buying mode that, okay, I really, really want this, I really, really need this, and that's why I'm going to purchase it. Amazon's buyer, they are in the buying mode. They are more intended to purchase something when to search for it. Amazon is a type of business that you can start really, really small and scale really, really big, because you don't need to have 100,000, 200,000 to actually start a business like any other traditional business, right? If you want to open a restaurant, if you want to open like a flower shop, you probably need like $120,000, $200,000 just to renovate the whole space, just to rent out the things, just to purchase the inventory. You probably need more than that, of course. But for Amazon FBA, you can literally start the business for less than $10,000. I have a video right here to talk to you about how much exactly that you need to actually start your Amazon FBA business. What is the minimum budget that you need to have? Click on the video right there if you wanted to see more about that. But yeah, you can literally start this business for less than $10,000. And many beginner sellers, they only need to have one product listed on Amazon and to actually see a big difference on their life. For example, right, if a product is able to sell around $10,000 in revenue per month, then you could probably see around $3,000 extra profit every month on top of your regular paycheck. If you are making, let's say $3,000 or $4,000 per month, and you have this extra $3,000 coming in from Amazon FBA business, that could mean a huge difference. Additional $1,000 to $2,000 per month is a huge difference too. An extra $2,000, $3,000 per month, who wouldn't want that? Once you are able to see success, for example, you're able to make an additional $2,000, $3,000 per month on Amazon business, you have the opportunity or the chance to actually reinvest all the profits that you make back into your business and actually scale the business infinitely high. If you are satisfied with an extra $3,000 per month and you're happy with your life, that by all means, enjoy the profits that Amazon FBA makes for you. But if you are not satisfied and you want to keep on growing your business, Amazon FBA is one of the best way and the easiest way for you to scale your business. Because think about this, if you are launching a cup, right? If you launch a cup and this cup makes you $3,000 per month, what if I launch another variations, for example? What if I launch another variations with a different color or a different design? That different variation could just make me an additional $3,000 per month. Or for example, I want to build a smaller cup other than this. I want to build perhaps a even larger cup other than this. And each of those variations can make me $2,000 or $3,000 each month. By having 5 variations, this cup could be making me over $10,000 per month, right? And so expanding, scaling on a Amazon business, it's actually really, really easy. Or for example, you don't want to keep selling this cup. You want to sell something that is more challenging, that is more higher revenue in the Amazon FBA business. Like for example, I want to start selling this cup instead, right? Or I can even go to sell some other completely different niche, completely different product, and then scale that product up to the sky. That could really work out as well. So there is just endless of opportunity inside of Amazon FBA. If what I'm about to tell you is not going to shock you to the core and actually drive you to start your own Amazon FBA business, I don't know what will. If you are able to build a very successful Amazon business, that becomes a very, very valuable asset. Your Amazon business can actually be sold for 30 to 50 times off your monthly profits. Let's take a look at this listing right here. So this product is making around $15,000 monthly revenue, and the monthly net profits of this product is around $4,000. But take a look at this. He is able to sell this listing for $150,000. It is a 39 times monthly multiple. And this is just like a random listing that I just found. There are a ton of examples like this as well. So imagine this, creating a business that only makes $15,000 revenue and only makes $4,000 per month on profit, and you can actually sell this business for $150,000. That to me is such a crazy value, because building an Amazon business that generates more than $10,000 per month is actually not hard, and you can actually scale this business a lot faster and a lot higher. You can scale this business to $100,000 per month. You can scale this business to $1 million per month, and think about the multiples and think about how much your business will worth when you scale the business up there too as well. And also, Amazon FBA is a business that will keep on giving you ongoing passive income every single day. So until you actually want to stop scaling your business and actually sell your business, your Amazon FBA business will be a very great passive income stream. And if you do decide to sell your business, you can make a ton of money from your business. So I hope this 6 reasons can really motivate you to actually start your own Amazon FBA business today. And if you want to learn more about this business or any other entrepreneurial tips, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.